Tired of unwanted pests invading your home? It's a common struggle, a constant battle for territory between us and the creatures we share our living spaces with. But what if I told you there's a way to deter these unwelcome guests without resorting to harsh chemicals and potentially harmful toxins? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of natural pest control, using the power of nature itself to maintain a peaceful and pest-free home environment. The humble housefly, a ubiquitous creature often considered a nuisance, buzzing around our homes with their incessant drone. But before you reach for the chemical-laden fly swatter, let's consider some natural deterrents that have proven effective over time. Aromatic herbs like basil and lavender, with their pungent scents, can effectively repel houseflies. Imagine placing a few pots of vibrant basil by your windowsill, not only adding a touch of green to your decor, but also creating an invisible barrier against these unwelcome intruders. Lavender, with its soothing aroma so calming to us, is actually quite offensive to a housefly's sensitive sense of smell. A few sprigs of lavender hung strategically, or a diffuser with lavender essential oil can work wonders in keeping these buzzing pests at bay. Mosquitoes, those masters of disguise, lying in wait until dusk to feast upon unsuspecting individuals. Their bites, itchy and irritating, can truly put a damper on our enjoyment of the outdoors. But fear not, for we can turn to nature's medicine cabinet for effective solutions. Certain essential oils, such as citronella, lemongrass, and eucalyptus, possess powerful mosquito-repelling properties. A few drops in a diffuser or even applied topically can create a protective shield against these stealthy biters. And let's not forget the humble marigold, a cheerful addition to any garden, but a force to be reckoned with in the world of mosquito control. Marigolds contain a compound known as pyrethrum, a natural insecticide that effectively deters mosquitoes. Gnats, those tiny creatures that seem to appear out of thin air, drawn to overripe fruit and sugary drinks like moths to a flame. Their presence, while not necessarily harmful, can be quite bothersome. But worry not, for we have a simple yet effective solution: the apple cider vinegar trap. The sweet, fermented aroma of apple cider vinegar proves irresistible to gnats, luring them into a cleverly crafted trap from which they cannot escape. Simply pour a small amount of apple cider vinegar into a jar, add a few drops of dish soap to break the surface tension, and voila! You've created a gnat-catching contraption that's both effective and environmentally friendly. Ants, those industrious insects that march in single file, their presence in our homes often unwelcome. But instead of reaching for chemical ant baits, let's explore some natural deterrents that can effectively keep these persistent pests at bay. Cinnamon, with its warm, inviting aroma, acts as an invisible barrier to ants. They dislike the strong scent and will avoid crossing lines of cinnamon sprinkled near entry points. Coffee grounds, a common household item, can also serve as an effective ant deterrent. Simply sprinkle used coffee grounds around the perimeter of your home or near areas where ants are known to enter. The strong odor of coffee grounds disrupts their scent trails, making it difficult for them to navigate. Roaches, those creatures of the night lurking in the shadows, sending shivers down our spines. Their presence is not only unsettling, but can also pose health risks. But fear not, for we have a two-pronged approach using natural ingredients to combat these unwelcome house guests. Boric acid, a naturally occurring mineral, acts as a desiccant, disrupting the waxy coating on roaches' exoskeletons, leading to dehydration. Sprinkle a thin layer of boric acid in areas where roaches frequent, taking care to avoid contact with food preparation surfaces and keeping it out of reach of children and pets. Sugar, while seemingly an odd choice, acts as an attractant, luring roaches to their doom. Mix equal parts boric acid and sugar, creating a deadly concoction that will effectively eliminate these resilient pests. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of natural pest control. By embracing these simple yet effective methods, we can coexist peacefully with the creatures we share our living spaces with, while keeping our homes pest-free. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way in maintaining a harmonious balance. Give these natural remedies a try, and you'll be amazed by the results. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural home solutions and tips on living in harmony with nature.